Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to add keywords to WordPress website. Alright, let's begin. First of all, open any type of preferred browser and search for wordpress.com. Once done, log into your WordPress dashboard, then hover over the plugins feature and select Add New. Inside it, search Yoast SEO and install this plugin. After that, activate the plugin, and after that, open the post section from the left side panel. Here, you just need to select the post you would like to add keywords to, and then scroll down all the way to the bottom. Now, we need to give an SEO title. So, remove the existing title and then paste the target keywords. You can also change or set the meta description to your liking, and then save the changes. So that's basically how you can add keywords to WordPress website. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.